Hey everyone, my name is Paul. Welcome to my shop. It's been a minute since I've done a video. I've been working in Florida on a kind of an interesting project, an underwater habitat. Just got back after about 6 months. Here just in time for the cold snap, and I've been sitting on this little bench I made a couple years ago. It could use a bit of refinishing. Spoiler alert, the finish is soap. It's looking pretty rough. So I thought I'd give it a bit of a cover or a refinish. I've got the original mixes here. This was 1:1 by volume, 1:1 by weight, and 4:1 by volume. So let me see if these are dry. And see what we can do. Ooh, that's all right. So I've been working in Florida on this underwater habitat for a friend of mine. He runs a company called Triton Submarines, and they make some pretty interesting subs. All acrylic, and they will go down anywhere between 600 and 3,000 feet. Let me flip this over. Ooh, should have got rid of the cobwebs. Oh, that one's dry. 1:1 by weight, that's done. I think it's just this 4:1. 4:1 by volume, still seems to be okay. Anyways, it was only supposed to be a couple months, but I've been away for about 6, working on this project. It was all right. I bought an old Powermatic drill press down there off Marketplace. It's got a few issues with it, but I'm going to work on that. I started buying some Milwaukee tools, nice and slow, so the wife didn't notice. I really missed being in my shop and the creative side of just building stuff. There, I was just going off plans and assembling parts that have already been prefabricated. And the thing about the soap finish, I don't think it would look good with like walnut, because it mutes the color, so I think it really works well with white oak. It's not shiny, it's kind of a dull finish, but the nicest thing about it is the feel of it. The texture, when it's all nice and dry, just it's such a soft feel. It's probably the cleanest my hands have been in months. All right. I'm going to leave that set for a bit, and we'll give it another coat. It's been a few days. I put an additional 3 coats on here, and it's got that nice, very soft, nice feeling back again. So, yeah, it's a wonderful finish. I just wish I could find something else to do with it. It's great for a stool. It's great for white oak. Although I did, I used my hand plane, and I just put a finish on. I put 3 coats of the soap on this walnut, and then I have my little sample piece here. This is Rubio with a maintenance oil and just the pure 2C at the bottom, and it has a muted look. Not bad, not entirely unpleasant, something different. I just wanted to get a video out there. I haven't burnt out or I didn't quit. I just had to go work. It's terrible. I'll leave a link down below to the original build video of this stool. And if you're interested in the submarines, I'll put a link to Triton Submarines and the company Deep that's building the habitat. Anyhow, if you have any questions, also listed down below. Let me know if you have any ideas of what else to do with this finish. It's probably the nicest finish you'll never use. But anywho, thanks for watching. See you next time.